If you think ChatGPT is the future, you're already behind. Today, I'm revealing 10 mind-blowing AI tools that are changing how people work, create, and earn. These tools aren't just hype. They're practical, powerful, and barely anyone's using them yet. Stick with me, because the final one is so insane, developers are trying to keep it secret. Let's go. First up, Notion AI. You probably know Notion as a note-taking app, but now it writes full articles, creates summaries, answers questions, and even translates. Use it to write emails, create meeting notes, or summarize YouTube videos, all inside your Notion workspace. Number 2, Pictory.ai. Paste any blog, article, or script, and it generates a full video with voiceover and stock footage. Use it for TikTok, YouTube, or even automate content from Reddit posts. Fast, clean, and ready to go. Third, Runway ML. It's like Photoshop for video. You can erase objects from videos, change backgrounds, and even create AI-generated scenes. Great for creators, editors, or meme pages. Fourth is Mubert, an AI that generates royalty-free music in seconds. Need background music for a YouTube video or ad? Just select the vibe. It makes music for you instantly. Fifth, Durable.co. It creates a full business website in under 30 seconds. Type your niche, and it builds a homepage, contact form, even an about page. Perfect for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone who needs to look pro fast. Quick question, which tool blew your mind so far? Drop it in the comments. And remember, the final tool is so advanced, it's being quietly used by Fortune 500s without the public knowing. Tool 6, Flare AI. Upload your product photo, and it generates branded marketing images in seconds. No Photoshop needed. Great for drop shippers and e-commerce. 7th, Janae.io. For students and researchers. Copy a long article or web page, and it gives you an overview with key points. Very handy in where slow connections make surfing difficult. Eat, Browsai. This one lets you scrape any website and monitor updates. You can monitor job listings, stock prices, product drops, and get alerts sent to your Notion or email. 9th, Sounddraw.io. Another AI music program, but one in which you can customize every beat, mood, and instrument. You're basically composing music without any music skills. 10th, Perplexity.ai. This search engine AI gives you direct, immediate answers with sources. It's Google plus ChatGPT plus Wikipedia in one. Better yet, it hallucinates less. Bonus, ElephantLabs.io. Most realistic AI voice software out there. You can copy your voice, capture voiceovers in multiple languages, and even. Now you've got the tools. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or building the next tech empire, start testing these now. Like, share, and subscribe to 4Tech Daily for weekly drops on tools, trends, and futuristic tech you can use today. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay future ready.